At bago pala kami maglakbay ng malayong biyahe papuntang Salalah, Oman, kailangan ko munang palitan ng sapatos ng aking sasakyan kasama na rin ang mga brake pads nito. At random check-up na rin para sigurado tayo na walang aberya sa 14 hours driving papuntang Salalah, Oman.
May pagkain dito, yung egg at saka mais,
Welcome everyone. Punta na kami ngayon sa Oman. Nakalagpas na kami sa immigration. Oh, we're going left, man.
Ako barok, anak Ay, anak.
Ibaga mamamay ka pa, mapangka-Oman.
Hello, Oman na ito. Nagtutourist kami sa Oman.
Yeah.
Dito na kami sa Oman.
Remember to subscribe.
Yes.
We are now in Oman.
Parang Evil Jason this one. Good.
And remember to subscribe. And ring the bell below.
For petrol station?
No.
Oh, na-empty na.
Due to empty
Yeah.
gas station.
Mura lang ang gas station, ang gas dito sa Oman. Kumpara sa Dubai.
Boom, panis. Sa yata tayo
Pinultan na namin kasi medyo malayo-layong biyahe ito. Yes.
Meron. Tiganap na.
Hello guys.
Oh.
Don't forget to subscribe.
We are here in Al-Kabil, Oman. Oh my goodness. We put full tank in our fuel tank.
Red?
Yeah.
Sorry, but it's red.
Random.
Can I have one candy please?
Here is one.
Wow. Yung roads, iba yung kulay. Ano ba yan?
Bad words, ha?
Like and subscribe and ring
Would
the
like it,
bell.
subscribe. You want me to remove your TV screen?
Hello guys, I'm in the back.
It's not even on the way.
Yay. There is some alcohol.
What is that?
Alcohol.
Alcohol pa na naman guys. Pabili ang alcohol. Pabili. Bili na lang tayo ulit ng alcohol. Mabango niya. Bili. Teka na.
Hold this.
No, walang ano.
Oh, it's raining here in Nizwa, Oman.
Hindi makita sa video.
Nakita naman oh. Ayan. Mamon dito sa Nizwa. My goodness. Wow. Medyo malapit lang ng konti. Kasi umamo. It's raining taco.
What the?
35 po. Biglang baba. Oh.
Oh, 30 degrees.
Oh, look at the sky.
Hindi malakas na yung ulan. Makapagi. Ito na yung sentro ng Nizwa. Ito yung hypermarket ng Nizwa. Oh, meron sila.
R&B.
Yeah, parang
Hypermarket.
So this is Nizwa city proper. Center point. 45. And we're here. Where are we? Nizwa. Nizwa Oman. Whoa, we are in Nizwa Oman, man. Come here.
I'm only just checking up.
Yeah, we're gonna check the yan, nakarating na po kami ng maayos dito sa Oman. Oh, what? So what? Amazing. My goodness. I love the place, man.
Bro, check the pool, man. It's nice.
I want to drink the pool.
You want to bring the
Jonan, where are we?
Oman!
Wow.
I want to shoot.
Is it infinity or not?
No. Maybe.
Oh, Madam Red. Mami! Kaya mag-swimming, Mami? Wow.
Paalang mami, mabalingkad ka.
Si Madam. Wow! Ang ganda ng loob. Modernong-moderno. Ilang bedroom to? 2 bedroom daw. Ito po yung sala. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
Ito yung first bedroom.
Oh shoot. What?
Dining room and mini sala. Kitchen. And the second room, show to me.
I can't open this.
What?
I
It's
don't
locked? Oh, it's locked, man. Oh, the other side. Here. Here.
Let's check inside here.
Oh, this is the second room. Oh, good. Good, good. Ayan, ano. Wow, ito yung sala. Then, meron siyang access puntang pool. Dali lang. Sarado. Wow. Ang kusina ni Mami. Wow.
Sige. Dito ka na makita. Makita kami nandun.
Ah.
Can we go? Can
Yeah.
we go to the floor? Dad!
Is it cold?
No, it's not cold. It's warm.
Try it, Jover. Check mo how deep is it? Set? Can you try? Can you go there? Further? Further, go further. Check.
It's okay for me.
No, go
Oh my
further,
God.
Jonah.
This is not okay. It's deep here. It's deep here. Ah!
Check, Jonah, Jover. It's deep, huh? Deep?
Wait. I didn't go down. Mom! Mom! How about my goggles?
Ready? One. Go.
Yalla.
Wait, Jover. Until it's raining, come. Oh, it's coming. Okay, go. Jonah, ready? One. Three.
What is that?
Okay, where do we put this one? Who wants the fish most? Okay.
Aywa. Lola ma, want the fish?
Tito Orwa.
Tell me.
Oh, mashallah, it's finished. This is wash out, man.
Destruction.